Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today we have an epic showdown between two dash cams that will take your driving experience to the next level. In the left corner we have the BOOGIIO dash cam front, and in the right corner we have the Galphi 3-channel dash cam. Buckle up and get ready for some serious comparisons.
Let's kick things off with the most important aspect of any dash cam, the video quality.
The BOOGIIO dash cam front boasts a 1080p full HD lens, providing outstanding image quality with a broader field of vision. Plus, its 3-inch super large IPS display lets you see every detail as clear as possible when playing back.
Driving in the dark can be a nightmare, but with the right dash cam you can conquer the night.
The BOOGIIO dash cam front comes equipped with Ultra HD night vision.
Its f1.8 large aperture and advanced technology ensure clarity of images at night, even in low-light environments.
No more struggling to see what's ahead. Dash cams are more than just video recorders. They come packed with extra features that add value to your driving experience. Let's see what our contenders have to offer. The BOOGIIO dash cam front and the Galphi 3-channel dash cam battled it out, but in the end, the Galphi 3-channel dash cam emerged as the ultimate champion. Remember, it's not just about capturing great footage, but also about added features that make your driving experience safer and more convenient.
If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more smart buying tips and comparisons.
And as always, stay smart and happy shopping.